As we are all aware, this is the time of Bitcoin, a virtual currency that recently touched $99,000 per coin. In contrast, Pi, a newly introduced coin that has been open for mining for the last 4 years, currently has almost zero value compared to Bitcoin, with experts predicting the price of Pi coin to be around $42 to $100. In 2009, Bitcoin was available for free mining, but people ignored it due to a lack of awareness about its potential. In 2010, one Bitcoin sold for around 10 cents, but many hesitated to buy, considering it too expensive at that time. Some even traded 10,000 Bitcoins for pizza, while others lost chips of mined Bitcoins. From 2019 to 2024, Pi has been fully open for free mining, and nobody knows if the future belongs to Pi coin. As a digital currency with a promising roadmap, its starting price is estimated at around $42, but it could rise to $1,000 soon after listing, thanks to strong backing from a dedicated team and investors. Comparison between Bitcoin and Pi coin. We know that if we want to make payments using Bitcoin, we first need to convert it into USDT and then into local currency. In contrast, Pi can be used directly for transactions, whether at markets or with cab drivers, highlighting its potential. Final thought: Pi has a bright future ahead. Miners should complete the KYC process and migrate to the mainnet, as listing is not far away. 1. Technology and Development Stage Bitcoin, BTC. The first cryptocurrency, launched in 2009, based on blockchain technology with proof of work, POW consensus, which requires high computational power. Fully decentralized, widely used, and traded on global cryptocurrency exchanges. Has a limited supply of 21 million coins. Pi coin, developed by the PiNetwork, founded in 2019, uses a consensus algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, claimed to be energy efficient. Still in development, its blockchain and marketplace are being tested. As of now, the coin isn't fully tradable on major exchanges, and its value remains speculative. Total supply and market mechanisms are not yet clearly defined. 2. Accessibility. Bitcoin. Mining requires specialized hardware, ASICs, and high energy costs, making it less accessible to the average person. Ownership requires buying through exchanges or earning via transactions. Pi coin, designed to be more accessible by allowing users to mine coins on smartphones without heavy computational needs. Mining is more about participation and validation rather than solving complex algorithms. 3. Use case Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency primarily used for peer-to-peer transactions and as a store of value, digital gold. Widely accepted for goods, services, and cross-border payments. Popular for investment and trading. Pi coin, positioned as a cryptocurrency for everyday users, aiming to build an ecosystem for online transactions, goods and services, still lacks significant adoption and real-world utility due to its early-stage development. 4th, adoption and market value Bitcoin. The most well-known cryptocurrency with a strong and established market. Its price is volatile but highly valuable, often seen as a benchmark for the crypto industry. Pi coin. Its value remains speculative since it's not yet tradable on major exchanges. The PiNetwork has a growing user base, but skepticism exists about its actual potential and decentralization. 5. Risks Bitcoin. High volatility in price. Concerns about environmental impact due to energy-intensive mining. Regulatory risks in certain countries. Pi coin. Criticized for its centralized nature during the development phase. Uncertain future due to a lack of clear use cases and market validation. Concerns about whether it's a legitimate project or overly hyped. Key takeaway: Bitcoin is a mature cryptocurrency with a proven track record, widely adopted as a digital asset and currency. Pi coin is still in the speculative phase, targeting mass adoption with mobile accessibility but lacking market credibility and utility as of now. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.